Welcome. In this lecture, we were going through the lesson that is changing one part of a speech for another. Okay, part of speech means when we saw the degree of comparison, we changes uh, with the use of different degrees in a different sentences. Okay, here also we uses the different type of verbs to form or a different type of part of speech to form a sentence with same meaning. Okay, so here we uses the verb, noun, adjective. So let us look at the point given here. Sometimes it is possible to change one part of speech for another, keeping the same meaning. Remember that other changes have to be made in order to keep the same meaning. So here is the first sentence. First sentence. He succeeded in his work. He succeeded in his work. Uh, in this sentence, we use success as a verb. Okay, as a verb. He succeeded in his work. Next sentence is the meaning of this sentence is that he get a success in his work. मराठीमध्ये आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की त्याला त्याच्या कामात यश मिळाले. सो लेट अस लुक ॲट द सेकंड सेंटेन्स. द सेकंड सेंटेन्स इज ही अचीव्ड सक्सेस in his work. Here in this sentence we uses success as a noun. Success as a noun. Okay, he achieved success in his work. And third sentence is his work was successful. Adjective. Here we uses success as a adjective but the meaning remains the same. We write this sentence in three way, but the meaning with the using as a verb, using as a noun, and the using as a adjective. Say the meaning remains same. Okay. Next second sentence, that is no invitation was sent to my friend. No invitation was sent to my friend. Now here in this sentence we uses invitation as a noun. Now let us look at the second sentence. My friend was not invited. Verb. Here we uses invitation as a invited, that is verb. And third sentence is the Einstein was a man of intelligence, noun. Here intelligence is used as a noun. And next sentence is the Einstein was an intelligent man. Here we uses intelligent as a adjective. So we make changes in the sentences. We make changes in the sentences, but we keep the meaning of the sentence as it is. Okay. So, student, it is very small lesson. Uh, you have to do this exercise. Here, I write down answer of the first one. That is the boy replied nervously. The boy replied nervously. We uses uh, here we changes this sentence into the boy replied with nervousness, the noun form, in the noun form. Okay, so you have to also give the answers. I will send this photograph on our group, so you can, here we have to changes with the noun forms, and here we have to changes with the adjective form. The I can bear the pain. I can bear the pain. So we have to change this sentence with the meaning of adjective. That is, the pain is bearable. The pain is bearable. So like this you have to complete this second questions also. I will send you a photograph of this exercise. Okay, so here we complete this lesson, that is the changing one part of speech for another. One part of speech to another means, part of speech means noun, adjective, adverb, etc. Okay, we changes, we make a sentence into different type of part of speech, but without changing its meaning. Okay. Okay. So we will stop here. Very small lesson, very small lesson. Okay.